Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to show you what is new at Dollar Tree. I'm in the back to school section, and as you can see there are lots of supplies for the kids and for starting a new school year. We can use this trifold portfolio that it's in a mint color, and when you open it has pockets inside. And that will be great for saving some of our stuff on our desk and organize your documents. And also tins and pouches. There are notebooks with gold accents that looks so gorgeous. They have these pink poster boards to decorate and white ones as well. And they have lots of backpacks. The backpacks are like very thin material. It looks like plastic. And these are the containers where you can save lots of ink pads. And now they have in these colors. And these one are the marker storage containers. And these paper holders are back too, and they are in iridescent colors. You can also find some organization trays like this one for pencil holders, and also this one for papers or notebooks. You can carry them there and organize them. And you can have all in the same color of your preference. They have these cute sticker notes, they have pencils, they have all of these pouches. They have these pencil sharpeners, they have rubber bands, they have push pins, they have these binder clips, and they also have these drawer organization, rulers, and these scissors and Sharpies. And as you can see, all of the colors are the same pastel colors, even with the candles. Another new thing that I saw is this pen that has a diamond on top, and they have in different colors. They have in gold, silver, and they also have the ones that have a pearl on top. And now I'm going to show you the new wedding section at Dollar Tree. They had cute decoration for a bachelorette party and also for a wedding reception. They have these cute nails for the bride and also these scrunchies for the bridesmaid and the bride. And they also have cute banners like this one with rings and many other things to decorate this party. I also found lots of new stuff on the cake decoration aisle, and as you can see, there are different kinds of candles. Now you can find lots of tools for cake decoration and also for making cupcakes, like these cupcake picks, and also there are cupcake liners and cupcake holders. And they also have this decorating icing in different colors. Let me know in the comments what section did you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye bye.